In this clip, I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine pocket card. Fold your paper again vertically and then in half. By this time, I'm sure that you've come up with a lot of good ideas and patterns, but I'm going to choose a heart, and again, we trace around the heart. Making a pattern ahead of time just kind of helps, but if you're good at freehanding it, you can do that also. So I'm going to take the scissors. Remember, we folded it again because it's a little bit easier to cut it. And cut your heart out. Once we have the heart cut out, we take our glue again, put along the edge, press it down, and we have made our pocket that we're going to slip our picture into. Now you may want to embellish that with several different things to decorate it for Valentine's Day. I chose to use markers again, but you can really get creative, and this is where the personal touch really comes in. You can add a lot of personal touch to this. Then again, you open it again and add your own personal message, and you have a Valentine's card.